scratch, going to the kitchen, eating from my sugar stash. Kellogg's, the bugs I ate had their harms. I have to move on to unhealthy Lucky Charms. Woodblocks, like all those bad breakfast bars, they compress like scraps of abandoned cars. They lay out these nutrition facts, I'd rather call them nutrition acts. It won't stop till I come in. It won't stop till I come into Subway. Come in for breakfast today at Subway and see what Tyler the Creator and Odd Future are raving about. Eat fresh.